Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Shein try on haul. So I got some 2-piece, 1-piece and cover ups from Shein. So hope you like this video and please subscribe. This is one of the swimsuit that I got from Shein. So, ganito siya sa likuran. Then, yeah, sa side. Yan. Then, garterize siya. Here. There. Well, that's it. So next is this red swimsuit. So actually meron siyang strap like this. Yan. Pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Pwede rin siyang meron. Then yan. May ribbon siya dito. Ribbon. Then likuran niya. That. That's the back. So actually this is one of my favorite swimsuit from Shein. So next is this 1-piece. Ito yung likuran niya. This is the back. So medyo malalim yung ano niya dito. Yeah. So this is one of my favorite too. But the thing is I have to adjust here para maging ano siya, fit siya sa akin. So, but all in all, perfect siya. Medyo nakikita dito yung side boobs. Yeah. Nice. Likuran. Nice. So next is this cute swimsuit. 1-piece. I mean, 1-piece swimsuit. Ito yung details niya sa likuran. Back details. Then, medyo malalim din yung ano niya dito. Then, yeah, that's it. Super cute niya actually. This is a cute 1-piece too. Next is etong dope baby pink and white 1-piece swimsuit. Then, ito yung back details. Okay siya dito sa harapan. Normal lang yung ano niya. Yeah. So, para siyang basic swimsuit. But, this is actually, you can use it as a bodycon. You can just put shorts or jeans, etc. Cute. So next is etong yellow and floral bikini 2-piece swimsuit. Yeah. Ito yung back details niya and side details. Ito. Ganda siya. Then back details. I don't know if you can see that, but ito, there's a you have to tie it. It's actually pretty good. Perfect size siya. Ito yung small to. I like the detail nila dito. Ganito siya. Yep. Next is etong 1-piece dope white 1-piece swimsuit. So actually I have it in white and pink. Actually yung fit ng white and pink, I like the fit ng white and pink color. Dope. Swimsuit than this. Kasi ito pag nabasa, when it gets wet, they can see yung tinatago-tago mo. So, medyo delikado to. So, minsan, ginagawa ko na lang to. Pinapartner ko na lang shorts, jeans, or etc. So, ito yung back details niya, by the way. Yep. Tsaka medyo mas maliit sa akin to. I know this is size small. Small size, yeah. That's it. Next is itong two-piece swimsuit. I love this actually. One of my favorite. Because of the detail niya dito. And then here. So, pati yung likod niya. So, super ganda niya. And then, plus the fact is, black color siya. So, madali siyang partneran. So, ayan. Ito yung details niya. Sa likuran. Yeah. Cute, right? And sexy. So, next naman, itong green. Like, ano bang kulay ito? Dark green. Blue-green. Anyway, I'm going to show you a picture of this from Shein. So, ito yung details niya sa likuran. Maganda yung details sa likuran. Actually. So, maganda yung top. Maganda yung details niya sa likuran ako. And then, simple lang yung ano niya. Yung itong bikini button. Itong ano niya. Pambaba. So, super cute siya. Then, super na pupush niya talaga yung boobs niyo. Well, this is nice actually. One of my favorite too. So, another one piece. So, ito yung details niya sa likuran. Super baba ng ano niya dito. And then, papunta na siya sa tawag dito T-back. Kasi meron siya ditong garter. There's a garter here. So, kapag swimming ka na po, kinakain ng likuran ko yung ano. Well, pero maganda siya. Actually, maganda siya. Maganda yung details niya, especially sa likuran. Ito yung uso ngayon na mababa yung ito sa likuran niya. So, nice. Size small, I think. Small or extra small. Yeah. See? Nice. Next is ito. White top and blue-white details. Yan. Ito siya. Ganito siya. What I don't like about this, super haba niya dito. And then, when it's wet, it's hard to untie this. Hirap niyang alisin. Hirap niyang i-untie. So, but, this is nice actually. Nice. Two-piece swimsuit din. From Shein. Yeah. Medyo na ano lang yung pero ayusin naman yan. This is it. This is the last two-piece I got from Shein. So, simple lang siya, but medyo risky nga lang ito. Ito siya. Style ganito siya. This is the back details. Super liit nga dito yung bikini niya. And then, yan yung likuran ng top. Then, yeah. So, pero maganda siya. Yeah. Brown color. Ito yung likuran niya. Na-adjust siya actually from here. And then, yun. That's it. So, I actually got this cover-up too from Shein. So, ito siya. Super ganda niya. Pati yung quality. Super ganda ng quality. Yep. Just like that. Next, cover up from Shein. Super cute din ito. So, butterfly siya. Super good quality. Yeah, ganyan siya. So, that's it. That's all for today, guys. So, maybe I will do part 2 for this. Because I'm actually planning to buy some more. So, see ya. Bye! Thank you for watching!